In this video, we will show you how to recognize whether the gaskets of your refrigeration equipment need to be replaced and how to carry out the replacement correctly. You will need the following items and ancillary products for this. Check the condition of the gasket. Is the material already hard and brittle, or does it feel soft? Does the gasket already have cracks, or is it heavily soiled? There are two ways to identify the gasket profile. Firstly, you will find the required information on the nameplate on your equipment. Make a note of the manufacturer and the model number, or simply take a photo. Then, send us the manufacturer information or the photo of the nameplate and the gasket dimensions by email. We will then send you a link where you can directly order your new gasket. The gasket profile can also be determined via the gasket cross-section. To do this, remove the old gasket from its holder. Start in the corners and then carefully loosen the edges. Measure the length and width of the gasket and make a note of the measurements. With the help of gasket shears or suitable household scissors, cut a piece out. Make sure that the cut is straight, so that the parts can be reassembled afterwards. This way, it can still be used until the new gasket arrives. Now, make a stamp impression of the gasket next to the dimensions and send in the data. Before installing a new gasket, thoroughly clean the groove and the entire support surface of the gasket. Use a degreasing detergent, hot water, and a sponge or cloth. Now, install the new gasket. Start in the corners and work your way carefully from both sides to the center. This way, you will prevent air holes and will make sure that the gasket is seated correctly. Regular cleaning with a degreasing agent will increase the life of your gasket. Finally, make sure that the gasket closes properly by observing whether light is escaping. You can use the torch function of your mobile phone to check this. All items can be found at horecatiger.eu/en-eu. To receive further service tips and offers, subscribe to our newsletter. In the comments column below this video, you are welcome to leave us your feedback and tell us which topics you are interested in.